Welcome to Gracie's Wig Journey. All right, do you see my hair? How thin it is? It used to be really, really thick when I was younger. Anyway, this kind of comes with our age. It becomes a lot more frizzy and fragile. In fact, I really do need to cut it a little bit. But anyway, I'm showing you the toppers of what you can use if you're experiencing hair loss. And basically, you just comb your own hair out, and you see you go up to the top of your head. I always put a little bit of a comb through to bring this down, because the topper is going to have clips and go on top of my head. So let me kind of show you here. Here's the topper I'm going to put on. You see, it's a beautiful topper. This actually is human hair. Human hair, of course, you can color it different colors. Synthetics, you cannot. If it's synthetic topper, you won't be able to change the color. You see? So you want to open up these clips. Then you see the top. I don't put this right here. I have my own natural hairline to do that. So I'm actually going to put it back here and clip it on. I'm not that great of a hairstylist. A lot of you are. And then maybe you'll hear the clipping. Let me just get that centered a little bit better. Okay. And then what you do, you comb your own natural hair. Okay, and you can file it in the back. Now I come to the front here, and I'll tease this just a little bit so that I'll be able to thread it in here and thread some through here, and then some through here. And then because I always would wear my hair kind of back in a scrunchie, or I could wear it down. And of course I don't have my scrunchie here to hold it back, but this will give you an idea of kind of what the toppers do. You see, in fact, I have to would comb this a little bit better. But did you see here, that topper? I'm going to show you another topper which has a little bit of a more. This gives you an idea. I'm sorry, my styling is horrible, but you get the point, is that the toppers go on top, gives you that volume, then you're going to comb and brush your own natural hair up through and style it however you want. All right, so stay tuned. I'm going to get my other topper. It's a little messy. I put the topper on first. This is the one that has that full topper, which is right here. It's not a wig. It basically is a lot fuller, but the reason I put this on first, I wanted to show you something. If you don't have any hairline here that you can pull up your own hair to comb over your toppers, this kind would be perfect. You see right here? I could put this right up to my forehead, and then I clip it down, you know, the clips, and then you take your brush. Now this is a topper. This is not a wig. And then I have my own hair hanging down. And then you see I would be able to do my, just my own hair, just brush my own hair through this. And with this particular one, because my own hair is a little bit longer, I would actually probably be wearing this either in the scrunchie off to the side or in the back. But this is the topper that is perfect for those of you who don't have any hair right here. Because of this, they have a little bit of a lace front is what they call it. Do you see how that works? I'm going to take this off so you can, just to remind you of what this looks like, of how big this is. Do you see? This is huge. This is a huge topper. They call this wefting. And you see right here, they have all these little clips. So you don't need to wear any kind of a hairband or anything. This would clip into own natural hair. Of course, you need to have hair, so this could clip in. But this kind of a topper gives you a lot more fuller volume throughout. So those are the various stages of the topper. Just remember that if you get a topper, especially if you're brand new, if you get the synthetic fiber, you will not be able to dye to match your own natural hair. what happens is in this whole journey of wigs and toppers is that we tend to, because we're so afraid, we want our very first purchase to really match our own hair. At least that was my experience. But now I'm into all different kinds of colors. So just be aware that if you think when you're looking at a topper that's human hair versus synthetic, and if the topper really works for you, then you may want to go and spend a little extra and get the human hair just to be sure that you're happy with the color. Because if not, then you can easily have it dye to really be almost identical to your own hair color. So that's the story of toppers. Now, my next video, I'm going to get into the various tools that you use if you're going to jump into this wonderful world of fashion fun. So please subscribe. And also, I hope you'll consider joining our membership group, a wonderful community where we meet and learn from each other as we go hand in hand down this journey of hair loss, what we do, what are our personal solutions, as well as this fashion fun of wigs and styles. Have a great day.